Looks like an oil leak.
Pretty good one.
Well, I just pulled up and I got a good size thing there.
Does that happen to be out of the plug or where the gasket is?
I think it's out of the gasket. You can scrape that up right about there. I've got plenty in the sight.
Did you touch it right here? There's oil here, coming out right here. I don't know if that's from the finger.
I'm pretty sure. Balls.
What kind of oil you have in it?
It's synthetic blend.
Idaho's been good.
So good.
It's been great. Sure it's got razors in it.
All right, we are in McCall, Idaho. This place is beautiful. It's definitely like a tourist trap. Not trap, but
It's kind of like, I guess for us it'd be kind of like Bend.
like Bend, yeah. It's similar to Bend. Everybody's got boats and cargo shorts,
They're all tan.
all tan and fit. We're just shooting the shit while John's laying on the ground. His bite's bleeding. Yeah, it's probably not good, but we've worked through everything so far. So, I mean, if it's a matter of keeping it topped off, I don't know that, if he needs a new gasket, there's no chance in heck that we're finding one in McCall.
Not here. I mean, maybe. They might have a... What is it?
Kawasaki.
Kawasaki shop. Never know. We'll see.
Fuck. I'm gonna stop fucking around to see if I can't get my hand.
So here's another shot with the cover open. This is exactly what happened last time. This right here is my clutch engaging unit, the cylinder, clutch cylinder, and it's not leaking fluid from the clutch hydraulic unit. It's engine oil. So behind this there's a seal that seals the rod that engages the clutch that the cylinder moves. So I need to pull that, drop it, and push that seal back in. And here, I'll show you in a second once I get. So it is exactly what I thought it was. So here's that rod and that seal. And that seal just gets pushed up in there. I'm gonna have to, anyway, get a different angle there. it just gets pushed up in there, and it's just a friction held. I'm tempted to put something, clean it really good, and run some sort of adhesive and see if that holds it in there. But it's a tight fit. I'm gonna put it back together and see how long it lasts. I think it's gonna last. I mean, I'm sure the seal's good. I just replaced it. Anyway, I'm gonna get my 2 hands in here and get it done. About 45 minutes. Tear down, put back together. I'll be on the road here in a minute. Get my gear back on. Put everything away. See how long it lasts.
Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Or should I just let this slide? Yeah, what if I told you you took my breath away?
Hey guys, what is it? Wednesday night? Here at Unity Lake. Tree behind me, how breezy it is. I'm going to throw up my tent just to break the wind. Maybe we can go see whitewater on the lake, which I don't think I've ever seen before. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, Unity Lake tonight, and I don't know, maybe one more night somewhere along the John River. I haven't decided yet. But to old friends and new roads until we ride again. So me and the wind here are smoking a Trinity cigar. I gotta tell you, in this wind, making a fine dinner, what a shit show. Jiminy Christmas. That was crazy. Couldn't put anything down without weighting it down. How do you put a plate down and then put your meal on it? It was crazy. See that tree there? Jiminy Christmas. Good thing it's staked down really good. I literally had to light my stove with my flame or my windproof lighter, then to light my cigar because there was a windshield. It was crazy. But after my cigar and my bourbon, it is night time. This wind is beating me down. It's not fun, but the whole trip is all good. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. That's Unity Lake, Wednesday evening. We'll see you in the morning. Well, Thursday morning, I believe it is. tough keeping track when you don't have a work day. Unity Lake. The wind has died down a little bit. Starting to warm up. It's about 10 o'clock. I haven't packed up camp. I hadn't decided until just recently. I want to move on down the road. I may or may not stop at another camp. I'm just gonna head out 26 and see how it feels. I'm just gonna mosey, and if I make it home, all right. If I want to stop, I'm gonna stop. It feels really good doing that. I've got the extra day, and we'll just see how it goes. Well, I'm gonna break down camp and get on the road before I have to pay for another campsite here. But that's what's going on. Talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, probably 40 minutes outside of Madras. Trout Creek Campground. It's a beautiful area. The drawback is 2 miles of gravel. And there's my site there. The roughest washboard I've ever been on the bike, but I think worth it. Campsite 11. My backyard is short jaunt. Down to the water and over an anthill. Doesn't look like that there's great access to the water from my backyard now. That's all right. Wish Keith was here with his drone. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna turn this thing around. It's kind of a Grand Canyon kind of look. Anyway, that's where I'm spending the night. Thursday night. And heading back home. I'll jump on it kind of early. Get back home, relax, and get back in the groove. See you next time. Bye. Friday morning, camp is all picked up. About ready to head out from Trout Creek Campground. I don't know that I'll ever come back here with a motorcycle, but I think it was worth the trip just to check it out. And I think I'm actually going to take a quick walk this morning along the creek, river, whatever we're on here, and see if there's a place that maybe you could cast off the bank, catch a fish. If ever I'm in the area, have a little time, and a fishing pole, and a car. Anyway, guys, talk to you next time. Bye. So, in rhododendron right now. Look at that gray sky. crazy coming over the mountain. I thought I was gonna have to put on rain gear. It's kind of moisture in the air right now. But it's good to be home. Warming up with a Mount Hood Roasters brewed coffee. Just enjoying life. Almost home. It's gonna be nice to get a shower and sleep in my bed tonight. That'll be nice. But it's almost over. Kind of gonna be different to get back into the routine, but I'll manage. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.